Hello and welcome back to Threadspinner Design Sessions with Luke and Molly. I'm one of those people.
I'm the other.
Hey, that's how it always goes.
if you can't figure it out, man, you've made it a really long time without figuring that out.
Use the clues in your handy-dandy notebook to determine which of us is Luke and which one's Molly.
That's right. I believe in you guys. You can deduce this. This is not...
It's been a little while since we've had time to sit down with this.
Yes, it has. Yes, it has.
Because I think the last design session was early October, so it's almost been 2 months, even though we're hitting one a month, you know?
Yeah.
But it's like, I got sick, and then you had a vacation, and then you kind of didn't get sick from your vacation, but needed to recover after your vacation.
I needed to recover after my vacation, and all. I mean, it. And also, I came back home and remembered I'm still disabled, so...
Right, right. So, been a little bit of time since we've gathered to talk about Threadspinner. We probably... And hey, we'll see if life agrees with me. Ideally, we can kind of get our nose to the grindstone in the next couple months here.
Yeah.
Because, we've got a track laid out, and we can extend it if need be, but we have a soft date when this book needs to be ready by, and I think it is completely hittable, but we do kind of need to get our asses in gear, you know?
Yeah.
As the holidays approach.
Yeah.
A great time to really say, hey, I need to focus up and do something.
It turns out life doesn't get easier.
Yeah, that's weird, huh?
Yeah. I mean, in some ways it has, but in many other ways it's gotten worse, so...
Yeah. Yeah.
You know.
It's tough out there. But yeah, we did not really discuss what we needed to work on today. I think we mostly just needed to, get back in the lab, get back to thinking about Threadspinner.
Yes, let's think about Threadspinner.
Yeah.
I'm covering this Google page. There we go.
I have been... A challenge I have had with working on the game is that my brain is bad and doesn't work good.
Oh, same, brother. But go on.
You know, a lot of times if you're working on a project like this, you will do a lot of, scratch work just to be like, oh, fill this in just to get the skeleton of it built, and you can flesh it out later, you can replace stuff. And my brain is very much like, no, you dumbass. The mechanics are so married in with the theming that it all has to be developed at the same time. So I'm like, all right, let me just get down the raw meat and potatoes, get the forecast stuff copied into the book, right?
Yeah.
From Eidolon, because that's mostly unchanged. Well, I am going to need you to write a few paragraphs about actually how the Fate deck is the mediator between the chaos of the Beyond and the order of the Threadspinner story, and Fate is the meeting point between chaos and order, actually.
Of course.
Which is good. I like it, but I'm like, that is so, fourth order concerns.
Yeah, it does not really, fall in there.
I'm like, oh, but if I don't have that, then what context do we have for why we're drawing cards? We don't need that right now. We
don't need that right now. We know why we're drawing cards. It's because we're playing a game.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
When it comes down to it.
Yeah. But yeah, I did. Hey, I put a forecast list in here. I put a description of the stats in here.
Yeah, it looks like a real game.
Yeah, I did update some of the forecasts. We kind of talked about that. I forget how much of that was on mic versus in private chat.
I want to say it was off mic, but I don't know for sure.
I think it was mostly off mic. We were just talking about maybe, it's an opportunity to do a revision. Excuse me. Do a revisionary pass on the forecasts. Maybe dark fantasy some of them up a little bit. Most of them are unchanged. Let me run through these real quick and see which ones I can find that I did change. Justice changed from the situation becomes more fair to you receive your just desserts.
Yeah, good. Excellent.
I think pretty good.
Yeah.
I changed...
Death is slightly tweaked. There is an ending.
Yeah, death I just changed the wording
beginning.
On. Yeah. Instead of something ends, something else begins, I've got there is an ending and there is a new beginning.
Yeah.
And obviously you can veto any of this, but...
Oh, no, I'm good with this. Tragedy strikes for the tower rather than...
Yeah, so something terrible happens, the tower's tragedy strikes, and then I think that's the last one.
Has the star always been a new path reveals itself? I think we just changed the phrasing on that rather than actually changing the forecast, because I think it is it used to be a new path